That beautiful weather winning streak kind of came to an end today, Tony.
It did, Mike. The clouds have taken over. Of course, we had that dense fog early this morning. You know, the afternoon and even now, it's relatively quiet. You have to head out, run some errands and things like that. It's okay. I really don't expect a lot of rain tonight in the form of like heavy rain or amounts, though we do anticipate some mist and some drizzle later on this evening and during the overnight hours. And then at times the rain becomes a bit steadier as we get into Thursday as well as Friday. So we are unsettled and cool over the next several days. Temperatures now lower 70s, mainly cloudy and dry in the sense that we don't have precipitation, but the humidity is elevated. So yeah, as Mike had mentioned, the dry streak, it was 22 straight days without any significant precipitation. So here's how it breaks down. Some drizzle and mist and fog later in the evening and during the overnight. That'll spill over into tomorrow morning. There'll be an area of low pressure that's stalled offshore. It's in the kind of location where it just throws back Atlantic moisture over southern New England, damp ocean air. At times steady showers, other times it's drizzle, but a lot of clouds and trending cooler starting tomorrow and right on through the weekend. So just cloudy skies on top of us right now. The precipitation is still to our south. That red L area of low pressure near Norfolk, Virginia, that'll track north and east, and what it will do, just kind of stall and sit and spin south of New England. And in that position, it promotes more of this kind of a wind direction, east-northeast. Not a great wind direction. It keeps things cool. It locks in Atlantic moisture. If it's not raining, you're getting drizzle. And that's pretty much the setup tomorrow, actually later tonight, tomorrow, and on into Friday. Watch the time bar. There's that low pressure area offshore. Here we are tomorrow morning. I don't expect like heavy downpours tomorrow morning. Just kind of mist and drizzle, cloudy and breezy. As we get closer to the afternoon and towards the evening, the rain does become a little steadier. You see that circulation offshore and all this moisture offshore that starts to come in, especially tomorrow night. Notice the stripe of green, which indicates rain, spills over into Friday. That includes Friday night if you're heading out, and unfortunately extending some of the damp weather perhaps into Saturday morning as well. That's the kind of the iffy part of the forecast as to whether or not we can dry things out by Saturday afternoon. Right now, leaning towards Sunday as being the better day this weekend in terms of getting at least a little bit of sunshine. Rainfall accumulation now through Saturday morning. Here it is now through 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Notice the further west you go, it really tapers off. The further east you are, there's more in the way of precipitation in southeastern Mass. Move ahead to the rainfall now through 2 o'clock Friday afternoon. It starts to tick up a little bit, but especially right in here, Plymouth County and out towards the Cape into Saturday morning. So your location will determine how much rainfall we get next 2.5 days. But fog and drizzle, a mist tomorrow morning, breezy and cool. Some occasional rain showers and drizzle, cool tomorrow afternoon. Gray skies, breezy, temperatures upper 60s to around 70. Beaches do have a high risk of rip currents, and not that it's a great beach day, obviously. Wind out of the east and northeast, 15, 20, 25 miles per hour. There's a cool wet weather extends into Friday through potentially Saturday morning, leaning towards Sunday as being slightly brighter, partly sunny skies and cool temperatures in the 60s.
Still ahead.